In this video, you will learn how to navigate your Moodle Solo course. There are different sections that make up the Solo course. On the left is the Moodle navigation menu. You can access current course modules from here as well as quickly navigate to other sections of Moodle. You can collapse and expand this menu as well by clicking on this hamburger icon up here. In this middle and main section, you will find your course content and module timeline. Clicking on a module title will open the module and display its contents. You must complete previous modules in order to gain access to further modules. You can track your module progress by observing the module information menu right here. To the right, you have information blocks. The course completion tracker can be found here to help you keep track of your completion status within the Solo. Now let's go over how to navigate through a module. When navigating a module, you will have different activities to complete. Clicking on an activity will allow you to view its content. After reviewing and completing the current activity, click on the forward link to the right here to move forward to the next activity. To go back to a previous section of the module, click on the Go Back link to the left here. If you need to go back further in a module, you can use this Jump To drop-down menu to quickly navigate back to another section of the module. At any time, you can go back to the course homepage by clicking on the course home button at the top of the navigation menu. This concludes this tutorial on navigating your Moodle Solo course. Thank you for watching.